Welcome back to Words of Encouragement, and happy Mother's Day to all of you and us mothers out there in the world. I have a special word of encouragement for mothers and their families today, and it begins in 1905. A woman named Anna Jarvis, having just lost her own mother, started a campaign for an official holiday honoring mothers. Over the years, Jarvis pushed to have the holiday recognized, and these efforts paid off as more and more states began celebrating this memorial. Finally, in 1914, President Woodrow Wilson signed a proclamation making Mother's Day an official holiday to take place on the second Sunday of May. It was marked as a day to express love and gratitude by each family to their own mother and acknowledge all the sacrifices that women make for their children. That is why the S comes after the apostrophe in Mother's Day. And I wanted to share with you this one of course, one of my favorites. Many of us are familiar with the verse in Proverbs, chapter 31, verse 28, and her children arise and call her blessed, her husband also, and he praises her in the gates. But I love verse 29, you guys. Many women do noble things, but you surpass them all. What a great thing to be said about us, right? Many women do noble things, but you surpass them all? How cool is that? And then we usually know this verse. Charm is deceptive, and beauty is fleeting. But a woman who fears the Lord is to be praised. Honor her for all that her hands have done, and let her works bring her praise at the city gate. I hope that encourages you and also gives you a little bit of something to shoot for and live up to. I know it does for me. My word, what a thing to be said of you, that many women deserve honor, but you surpass them all. Wow, that encourages me to keep striving for excellence in my own life, not just as a woman, but as a mother. I hope that encourages you, and we'll see you next time on Words of Encouragement.